Sawyer. New dog.
We have a visitor, so quiet. We pack up and have a seat.
The name here is yellow.
Back away so we don't scare it. Pack up your stuff and sit down.
How's that smell? He smells horrible.
Why? What is
Oh, it's at the puppy bed.
You can, yeah, they can touch him. He's fine. He's. Oh.
Is that me?
What do you think, buddy? Are you surprised?
It's so cute. It's here now. It's the best thing ever. Look at it. What's its name?
We don't have a name
for
yet.
him yet.
It was supposed to be.
Once you pet him, get out of the way so someone else can, and then pack up and then sit down.
Call him Chocolatey Face.
Chocolatey face? That's kind of a mouthful, don't you think?
Look at it. It's the color
That's
of
what you
chocolate.
We'll see.
I want to name him Sawyer.
Not Dad?
No, I'm naming him Sawyer. No, he's chocolatey face. See, it's colored chocolate.
What do you think, buddy? Are you happy? Are you surprised Miss Nord let us bring him in? Isn't that nice?
All right, see the puppy, then go pack up your